Hello guys, my name is Ruth and I am a vlogger on Zim Globe Explores, guys. So today I'm going to iGraft clinic.
You know about the laser hair reduction?
No, you can explain more so that I can give a
we done a laser hair reduction on the hair of your skin, any part of your body. It's affect on your skin, not like other laser treatments. It's affect directly on the hair pigment. It's
only hair,
only hair, because it's a black in color. Not in the skin. That reduce your hairs, not in a burning. This ice cool technology, like a ice. This cooling technology. Ice.
Okay. I'm so excited. Like, I can do it.
Okay.
Yes.
You can tell me.
Okay. I should rest here.
Yes.
Okay.
You done any hair razor or waxing?
I think once.
Okay.
With no pain. I don't
No.
like pain.
Okay.
Anything without pain.
I can tell you the procedure first now.
Yeah.
Firstly, we remove with a laser.
Okay.
Open.
Yeah. Is it different already?
Any irritation?
No. I feel like sleeping. It's more like a massage. So relaxing.
After that, we applied gel on it.
Okay. So much ice. Yes. Now sleep. Yes.
See it. The result.
Wow.
It's the first session result. You
Yes.
take 6 to 8 sessions.
6 to 8 sessions. Okay.
The result will be very, very good.
Very, very good. Even if I apply my lotion, the skin will glow. Yes.
Smooth.
Yes.
Any irritation or burning during session?
No.
It's an ice technology. It's a cooling effect only.
Okay.
Not a burning.
Okay. And that was so relaxing. Like, I was sleeping, Serious. Just to see the skin, how smooth are my hands right now. Guys, hello guys. I'm very, very excited. Like, just to look how smooth my hand is. Like, honestly, like, the treatment was very painless. And the doctor was explaining every step about the treatment. So I am encouraging everyone to come here to iGraft clinic so that you can have a better skin like mine. I'm so happy. Like, if I go home, I'm gonna apply my lotion and I'm sure you're gonna see the glow. Thank you.